Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical component in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to Top Plane and Sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the dimension circle 100. Okay. Now go to feature. Now go to again another circle here. Now give the dimension, this circle dimension 30. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude 20. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now go to this circle convert entities. Now go to here offset this circle. Now give the value 5. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude 10. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the value this circle 70. 70 or 75 as a 70. Now go to make this circle center line. Now go to draw the slot here. Now draw the slot. Now give the value this arc 7. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Go to feature and extrude card. Now here extrude card through all. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now select this circle. Now go to feature and face. Now here select cut. Give the value 4. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here again. Make the center circle. Now draw the hair center line. Now draw the again hair center line. Now go to this center line and this center line, this degree 45. Okay. Now draw the circle here. Circle, give the circle below. Now give the this circle below 14. Okay. Now go to isometric view and feature an extrude card. Now here select roll. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now here select circle for axis. Now here select extrude card. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now here select shaded. Now go to here select material rubber. Now go to here select as. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now go to file and select save as. Now go to desktop. Now here save mechanical component. Okay. Now go to file and save as PDF. Okay. Now go to file and save as. Now select here JPG. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comments box. You can join our online class anywhere in the world. Our online class one to one. You can join our offline class. Our offline class is small base, only 10 students. You can join both system online and offline. You can you can take 2 days online and 1 days offline. You can learn practical knowledge our training center. Thank you all.